back to Project Z Garage. Today we're going to be working on changing the wipers out on the F10 5 Series BMW. We're going to use the Trico wiper blades that we got from Amazon. We've tried this on a couple other cars and they've been working out pretty well, so we wanted to try them out on the Beamer. I mean, the car is outside most of its life, so you will have to change them relatively often, maybe every 6 months, maybe the other ones have lasted a year, so I'm not gonna dwell too much on that. They are all weather, so that's awesome. They were about $30 something, $35, $36, so pretty reasonable price. And we'll just walk through the procedure on how to change these out. Al right now is using the Rain-X glass cleaner and rain repellent. It's a 2-in-1, so hopefully that'll help get rid of some of these water spots, especially when it's sitting on the car for a while. And it'll also help when it rains to repel the water and make it easier to clean the windshield. So first thing we're going to have to do is put these wipers into a service mode. So let's do that. Alright guys, so what we're going to do is turn the ignition on, and then what we're going to do is turn the ignition off, and we're going to hold the wiper blade up for 5 seconds. And as you can see, maybe a little less than 5 seconds, it puts it into the service mode, and now we can lift the wipers up, finish cleaning the windshield, and start working on replacing them. Alright guys, so we took the wipers out of the box. It comes with a bunch of different adapters, and it comes with instructions. See, they're all labeled here on depending on the type of connector that it has. So you see if it's a hook, if it has this like a pole or a slide in. So it shows you all the different ones and which adapter you need to use. So let's first show you how to take off the wiper. So with these, once it's up, you're just going to rotate it and then pull out. And that's it. Real easy, very simple locking mechanism. This just has a pole, and when it turns back, it locks it in place. This piece is over there, that piece is on the other side, so it gives you a lock, so you won't have any problems with that flying off. So this is off. Now let's try this one out. So we will need to use an adapter with these new blades. So we're going to look for this adapter here that has the point in the front. It says B forward and it has C. We're going to have to take this piece off. So it has a little tab here. We're going to push down, push that back. This comes out, and now we can put this one in. So we're going to slide that in, and that clips in. So now we're good. Now what we're going to do is it's going to go into the hole here because we need the space. So same way as we took the other one off, we're going to slide it through the hole, push it all the way in, make sure you get it all the way in, and then voila, now it's flat, and that's it. So now that one is locked into place. Alright guys, so this one's done. Put that back down on the windshield. Now the same thing on the passenger side. We need to pull this strip off. We're going to take this piece off, so we're going to push back, pop this adapter off here. Let's see if we can get it. There we go. And then we're going to put this one in, so it slides in and locks. And then we'll take this one off, just turn it sideways, and it should come straight to me. And then this one should just push on. And there we go. Now, something I like to mention, the one that was originally on here has this cover piece, which I like a lot better. It looks more finished. I'm not really happy with the way this looks, and it doesn't have like really a finish piece on it, and you can see the post going through. I'm gonna see if it's possible to swap this onto that, but I don't think it's supposed to. I think this is the way it's supposed to be. I'm gonna look into that a little further and we'll come back on that. But right now, that pretty much ends this tutorial on how to replace your wipers. Now you could just turn your wiper on and off and we'll go back into the regular position. Alright guys, so as you can see, once we turn the car back on or just turn it to the on position, you just have to press down on the wiper stock and it goes back down to the OEM position, and it should work as normal. So like if we spray the windshield, and there you go, it wipes really clean and it's been working. It works really well. The only thing is, like that part I explained to you, it doesn't have that cover to make it look more finished, which kind of sucks. I would prefer a more finished look and you don't have grime and stuff getting stuck in there. So I mean, we only paid $30 something for it. I'll put a link down below to the Amazon if you guys are interested in these. I'm gonna see if I can retrofit the cap off of the old wiper onto it just to make it look a little more finished. But I think that wraps up this tutorial. Depending on what wiper blades you use, it may have a slightly different install, but it's pretty much all the same because it has the post. If you want a more OEM look, hey, go with the OEMs, but you know, you're spending $100 and if your car is outside, you're probably still gonna have to change them once a year or whatever the case may be. This is about, I can swear it's like 35 bucks, maybe a little more, a little less. It's a quarter the price. So it's up to you guys what you think. I think they wipe pretty good, no problem so far. We'll see how well they work, and if there's any issues, I'll let you guys know. So until then, like, share, comment, subscribe, and we'll catch you in the next video.